Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. I've often had the debate with myself, should I trade pre-market or should I just wait until the market open? And I want to share my resolution to that inner debate with you, not to tell you what to do, but to hopefully shed some light on what might be best for you so you can make your own decision. What was happening with me is that oftentimes I would get stuck in the pre-market chop. Oftentimes, pre market, it doesn't have the volume or the oomph to follow through the way that it might when the regular stock market is open. In other words, this was the open, that's 7:30 Mountain Time Zone, this green candle. The second candle here had some pretty solid downward momentum, even though it did pop up earlier. So the open range actually went both directions, which can be a little bit confusing, can cause some stop outs. But then it just got super choppy. We did rally higher, but then basically fell right back to where we started. And from there, it was just a choppy mess. Versus look at pre-market. Now, obviously, every single day is going to be different. So this is only today that I'm talking about. So this is a much smoother ride up, this portion here. And even if we go back a little further, for those of you that are on the East Coast or trading in Europe, you might have been awake for these things. It's a little early my time. I mean, this is like 5 a.m. my time, so I'm in bed. But, a relatively smooth ride down here, little bit of retracement, and then another like nice move down. So what I have finally come to conclude about this pre-market versus waiting game that I was continuously questioning myself is it's not the pre-market that is the problem. The problem is when I don't follow my rules. The problem is when I start getting frustrated with the chop because this is just as choppy as some terrible pre-markets. So it really doesn't matter to me. Again, this is me not necessarily saying what you should do, but I'm like, okay, it could be choppy during the day, it could be choppy pre-market. My biggest thing is to work to avoid the chop, or even if I start to get stuck in it, to recognize what is happening and just stop trading, stop trying to force something, and just wait until it breaks out of its choppy section. So, with that, I'm going to stop debating with myself. I'm going to say, yes, I absolutely can trade pre market. And a lot of times in pre market, I do fairly well, especially because, like this example, it can be a little bit of a smoother ride. Now, again, not always, but like even like this, this, yeah, it was going up, 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 but like that was way more volatile to do it than this little ride here. So test it out for yourself. And the best way to do it is actually look at your numbers. The numbers are not going to lie. You may say to yourself, or I may say to myself, you know what? I'm awesome at pre-market, but do the numbers play out? Does your P&L show that? Or you might say, wow, I really suck at pre-market, but actually the P&L is totally fine. So use the numbers instead of your emotion, and hopefully you will not have to have the ongoing debate as long as I had with myself. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.